Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. What do we have in here? This is a Casio F-108 watch which I'm going to be unboxing today, and this one I got from Amazon.ca because they have a spring sale going on right now, so don't miss it. So before any further ado, let's get started.
As usual, this Casio watch also came in a cardboard package. Nothing special about it, but actually I can feel the pretty decent level of packaging in here. This box is sealed on both sides, so we just have to cut it open on both sides before we access the watch. One thing I forget to tell you that this scissor I got from AliExpress during their annual clearance sale, and it cost only $4. I think it's a pretty good deal for that price. Well, about this watch, while I was looking for this watch, Amazon also had a couple other color options. I think it was white, red, and this blue. I picked up blue color. I think it's a navy blue color watch. The reason I didn't pick up the white and red because I used to have a red and white G-Shock watches before. Right now I don't have it because I sold it. So I thought I'll pick up something that is new to me. Obviously a navy blue or a blue color watch is new to me, so that's the only reason I picked up this blue color watch. Oh wow, I couldn't believe this. Sometimes when we buy something from online, the color in their website of that product is so sharp and so attractive, and when we get that product and you see that product in person, man, the color is so dull or faded. But here the picture in the Amazon and the actual watch looks so similar. I would say it is 98% so similar to the Amazon picture representation. There is nothing special about this watch. It's just the color, it's so hard to find this kind of color in a G-Shock section. And yeah, I think before we wear this watch, I think we're gonna have to set the time first. And setting a time on these basic or entry level Casio watches is pretty straightforward. It's not a rocket science. The back cover of this watch is stainless steel, I guess. The quality of this watch is actually okay. You cannot be comparing this watch with a G-Shock lineups because G-Shock watches are more expensive and they use a better material on their expensive watch lineups. It's logical and understandable. You know what? I love my neon green G6900GR Tough Solar G-Shock watch. This watch is so unique. Okay, let's try on our new blue baby on. Look at the bezel size of this watch, man. It's big. I'm telling you, it's big because I have a medium sized wrist, and it fits so well on me, but I don't think so if we have a smaller wrist this is an option for you. I doubt, because in the photo from Amazon the size is not so clear. Actually,